Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can access this YouTube audio library. If you have a YouTube channel and you want free music that you can use for your channels, you can accompany with your videos, then YouTube audio library is the perfect place to go and get free stock music that are licensed that you can download and use together with your videos without having any infringement or without getting any copyright strikes. So let's get to it, and to support this channel, kindly subscribe and hit the like button. To begin, you want to go to your YouTube studio, and you can simply do that by clicking on your videos. And when you click on your videos, will get you to your YouTube studio, and from here you will be able even to see the videos that you had posted on your YouTube channel. Now, for us to access the free audio library that is provided for by YouTube, simply go to the audio library, which is the last option on the left hand side. Click on the audio library, and here you'll be able to see and access tons of music that are licensed by YouTube and that are available for free for any creator. Now, you can play around and see which one is best for you. You can play around with each and every music that is here. Now, once you identify the music that suits your the theme or your video that you are creating, you can simply download it. Now, to download, for instance, if we want to download this music, what you need to do is to go at the end of the line, and you will see the download function. When you click on it, the music will be downloaded directly to your computer. And here we go. We have downloaded it, and now you can play it. That is it. As you can see, this is a 2 minute 42 seconds music that you can use. If you still want to download any other music, you can just go ahead and download it by hovering at the end of the song or of the tune. So by following these steps, you'll be able to download your favorite music from the free YouTube library and use it with your videos. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.